A well-organized home is more than just neat shelves and tidy drawers. It's a sanctuary of order and calm, a space where everything has its place and you can truly feel at ease. Clutter can quietly weigh on us, making even the most beautiful rooms feel chaotic and draining. By taking the time to organize your home thoughtfully, you're not just creating a more efficient living space, you're fostering peace of mind and making room for what really matters. What's wonderful about organization is that it doesn't have to be about perfection or expensive systems. Instead, it's about finding creative, functional ways to use the space you already have and making it work better for your lifestyle. With a little planning and a few clever tricks, even the most cluttered corners can become streamlined, stylish, and surprisingly satisfying. Below, we'll explore home organization ideas for 3 key areas: the bathroom, the kitchen, and the living room, each with its own challenges and potential. Bathrooms, often small but essential, tend to collect a surprising amount of clutter. Bottles, towels, cosmetics, and more can quickly overwhelm counters and cupboards. The key to a serene, spa-like bathroom lies in using every inch of space wisely while keeping surfaces as clear as possible. Start by taking stock of what you truly need and letting go of anything expired, unused, or duplicated. Invest in drawer dividers to separate makeup, hair accessories, and grooming tools. This not only saves time but keeps everything looking neat. Over-the-door racks or hooks are perfect for towels and robes, freeing up valuable wall and cabinet space. If you're short on counter space, consider adding shelves above the toilet or corner caddies in the shower to hold essentials without crowding surfaces. Clear jars or labeled baskets can make cotton balls, Q-tips, and toiletries both accessible and visually appealing. Rolling carts can also work beautifully in bathrooms, tucking away into corners but providing flexible storage for everything from spare toilet paper to extra soaps. Enjoyed these creative lawn decor ideas? Like and share this video with friends who love sprucing up their outdoor spaces. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, where meals are prepared, conversations happen, and memories are made. Yet because of its constant use and the wide variety of items it contains, it can also be one of the trickiest spaces to keep organized. With its mix of food, tools, appliances, dishes, and gadgets, a kitchen benefits greatly from thoughtful systems that keep everything in its place while staying easy to maintain. One of the first steps to organizing your kitchen is decluttering. Over time, we accumulate duplicate gadgets, chipped mugs, or forgotten appliances that take up valuable space. Start by pulling everything out and asking yourself what you truly use and love. Donate or recycle the rest. Once you've pared down to the essentials, you can begin to think about how best to store what remains. Begin by maximizing your vertical space. Install shelves that go all the way to the ceiling and use stackable bins or risers inside cabinets to double your storage. Tall cabinets can store less used appliances or seasonal serving pieces on the top shelves, freeing up prime space below. Don't forget the corners. Corner shelves or pull-out lazy Susans make excellent use of what's often wasted space. Clear, airtight containers for pantry items not only keep food fresh, but also make it easy to see what you have at a glance. Line them up on shelves, grouped by category: grains, baking ingredients, snacks, so you know where everything is. Labels, whether handwritten on chalkboard stickers or printed neatly, help everyone in the household return items to their proper spots. A labeled pantry not only looks attractive, but saves you time when cooking or making grocery lists. Drawer organizers are indispensable in the kitchen. Start with simple cutlery trays, then graduate to deeper dividers for utensils, measuring cups, rolling pins, and other tools. Adjustable organizers can grow and change with your needs, keeping drawers from becoming chaotic junk drawers. If you bake often, consider dedicating a drawer just to baking tools, neatly divided and easy to grab when you need them. Spices are another area where chaos tends to creep in. A spice rack inside a cabinet door, a tiered shelf insert, or a magnetic board on the wall can keep small jars orderly and visible. Arranging spices alphabetically or by cuisine can save precious time during meal prep. Lazy Susans or turntables, placed in cabinets or even on countertops, make oils, sauces, and condiments easily accessible without cluttering surfaces. Grouping items by function, for example, all baking ingredients in one zone and all breakfast items in another, can make your kitchen feel intuitive and efficient. Hooks mounted on the inside of cabinet doors are perfect for hanging pot holders, measuring spoons, small cutting boards, or dish towels. They make excellent use of hidden spaces and keep tools within arm's reach. Likewise, slim racks attached to cabinet doors or walls can hold spices, wraps, or cleaning supplies. What's your favorite lawn decor element, garden lights, statues, or floral displays? Let us know in the comments below. The living room is a multifunctional space, a place to relax, entertain, work, or even play. Because of this, it often becomes a catch-all for clutter, remote controls, magazines, toys, blankets, and more. Bringing order to this space allows it to remain inviting and comfortable no matter how it's used. Start by identifying the activities that actually happen in your living room and organizing accordingly. If you watch a lot of movies, a basket or decorative box for remotes, cables, and DVDs can keep them handy but hidden. For readers, a slim bookcase or wall-mounted shelves can corral books without taking up floor space. For more outdoor design tips and seasonal yard inspiration, subscribe now and keep your lawn looking amazing all year. An organized home is not just about appearances, it's about creating a flow that makes life feel simpler and more peaceful. When each space is thoughtfully arranged, it becomes more than functional, it becomes beautiful in its own quiet way. You begin to notice how much lighter the rooms feel, how much easier it is to move through your day, and how much more enjoyable your home is to spend time in. Organizing is not a one-time act, but an ongoing dialogue with your living space, noticing what works and what doesn't, adjusting systems to fit your life as it changes. Over time, each drawer you tidy, each basket you fill, and each shelf you arrange adds to the overall harmony of your home. A well-organized bathroom offers moments of calm at the start and end of your day. A streamlined kitchen makes cooking feel like a tidy, inviting living room encourages relaxation, conversation, and connection. Together, these small victories create a home that feels intentional, soothing, and uniquely yours. When your home is organized with care, it no longer simply shelters you, it supports you, reflects your personality, and brings a quiet joy to the everyday moments that happen within its walls.